Hello, and welcome to another English listening practice story from SMARTROOTS Learning. Today's story is called The Treasure Map. Listen carefully and enjoy. One Saturday morning, Emily and her cousin Jack were cleaning the attic. Under an old box, they discovered a rolled up piece of paper. When they opened it, they saw it was a treasure map. Their eyes widened with excitement. The map showed a trail from a big oak tree to a spot marked with a red X. "Let's follow it," said Jack eagerly. They ran outside to the garden. First, they found the big oak tree. Then, they counted 10 steps toward the shed, just like the map showed. Finally, they stopped at the red X drawn on the ground. They started digging with a small spade. To their surprise, they found a little wooden box. Inside were shiny marbles, seashells, and old coins. Emily and Jack laughed happily. "It's not gold, but it's still treasure for us," Emily said. The cousins learned that sometimes adventure and fun are the best treasures of all. Thank you for listening to The Treasure Map. We hope you enjoyed this story and practiced your English listening skills. Don't forget, you can download the free worksheet for the story from the description. See you in the next listening practice.